Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do an unboxing of the new Infinix Hot 9 series, the Hot 9 Pro and the Hot 9. So we have these two devices with us, so we're going to do a quick unboxing. We'll show you what all comes inside the box package, and then we'll also see the features of these two devices, what all they differ. So you can see that the Hot 9 Pro has a 48 megapixel quad camera. It's a 4 plus 64 gigabyte RAM, and here we have a 13 megapixel quad camera. Both have DTS surround sound, and then we have the Infinix branding. Both have punch hole cameras. That's a specialty. Now let's have a look at the box package. What else are the features? So 48 megapixel is one difference. Other than that, both have the same display, 5000 mAh capacity battery. Then we have face unlock and fingerprint scanner, XOS 6.0 based on Android 10. So that's the feature of these two devices. Both are 4 plus 64 gigabyte storage variant, and both have the Helio P22 octa-core processor and 6.6 inches HD plus punch hole display with 480 nits of brightness and 720 by 1600 resolution. Now this is quad camera. Both have 8 megapixel AI selfie camera as well. So let's just open the box package of these two devices. Then we'll see what all comes inside the box package. So there you go. Let's open these boxes, these two devices. So let's open this. We'll do a simultaneous unboxing. Both are violet colors. So let's just take this out. So there you go. You can see both Infinix Hot 9 Pro as well as Infinix Hot 9. Again, the features are mentioned here. DTS theater system. This has a 48 megapixel camera. That's the only difference we could spot. So both have the punch hole cameras. Just take this out, and here, there you go. You can see that this is the Infinix Hot 9 Pro. Look wise, they are quite good. You can see both the devices have the dedicated SD card slot, and you can see the camera unit as well. So not much of a change. Here we have both the AI quad camera. The only difference is the primary sensor. That's the 48 megapixel camera, and here we have a quad flash while we have a triple flash on this. That's another difference here. Now we'll just keep these devices aside. We'll see what else comes inside. So there you go. They both have these chargers. So let's see the voltage rating of these chargers. So both are 5 volt 2 ampere. That's 10 watt charging on both the devices. Now both have the USB cable, this charging and data syncing cable, the micro USB charging and data syncing cable. Then we have the manual and warranty information, the user manual and the warranty information. You get the screen guard on both the back packages. So screen guard is included, and you also get a SIM ejector pin on both the devices. Finally, you get a case. So there you go. It's a standard TPU case included with the box package. So you can see a standard case. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the devices. So now we have booted the device, and you can see the device here. So this has 6.6 inches HD plus resolution display, and you can see that the display remains the same on both the phones. In fact, the display looks quite good. It's an HD plus, but still the brightness levels are actually good. We have actually reduced the brightness for the video, but it can go really high. You can see that the brightness looks really good. Now the software is something the XOS 6. So we'll just have a look at the software. So you can always see that this device has a good software, but the problem is a lot of apps and notifications comes in. So let's see how it is. So you can see here a lot of apps are pre-installed. A bunch of apps are pre-installed here. Again, the same experience. So both are running on Android 10 out of the box, and both have this punch hole camera. It's a 8 megapixel punch hole camera. Both have 5000 mAh capacity battery as well. So we'll just go to the camera settings as well. So you get all these functions. There is the HDR mode and other modes. So you can see that 48 megapixel mode, that's for the Hot 9 Pro. In fact, the other one does not have the 48 megapixel mode. It's a 13 megapixel camera. So that's the difference. Otherwise, the camera setup feels quite similar. Now here are some camera samples we have taken with the Infinix Hot 9 and the Hot 9 Pro. Both have been kept together for easy identification. So you can see how good the camera has come. So we'll be doing a camera review, so stay tuned for that. These are some samples we have taken with the Infinix Hot 9 and the Hot 9 Pro. So both the devices have a large 5000 mAh capacity battery, so that should be able to give you good battery life, almost like 2 days can be expected. Now this is the device, so you can see that the material quality looks quite okay. You can see that there is a fingerprint scanner. Frankly, for the price segment, this feels quite good. They are heavy devices, but then you get a large capacity battery as well, so that's more or less expected. And this is a punch hole camera, so not many phones bring punch hole cameras in the budget segment. That's something which Infinix has done, so that's the device. So this is the unboxing and hands-on with the Infinix Hot 9 and Infinix Hot 9 Pro. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.